Maryland personal injury attorney Marcus Boston here, bringing you another video on behalf of Boston Law Group LLC. Today I want to talk with you briefly about a question or issue that we get a lot from people who actually start off trying to represent themselves in their personal injury case, and that is, well, Mr. Boston, I'm now finished with my medical treatment. What do I do next? What do I do? Well, one of the most important things that you want to do, if you haven't already started doing this anyway, is to actually reach out to the at-fault driver's insurance company and start trying to negotiate and settle your claim. Now, a lot of times, a lot of people, what they try to do is they just try to do everything on the phone and they don't do anything in writing. We suggest that you actually put together what we call a settlement demand packet. And in this packet, what you want to make sure that you have are the statement of the facts. In other words, you want to make sure that you write, what happened in the case. You want to actually also include something regarding liability. In other words, why is the other driver liable? You also want to include your medical treatment, what you had to do, what any doctor's reports, what is your long-term diagnosis. You want to include that in, and you also want to include your medical bills and for your damages. So that means you want to have something in there stating, your lost wages, your pain and suffering, any future medical treatment that you actually may need, any past medical bills, and then you want to actually put a demand amount. In other words, you want to say specifically how much that you think that the other guy's insurance company should pay you. And finally, also, and a lot of people forget this, but you also want to give them a certain time frame, usually about 30 days to respond back to you, in regards to your case. Now, again, I kind of went through that kind of quick, and, if you have an attorney, your attorney, will already know how to put this together. If you are, if you think that it's best for you to handle your case yourself, then, you want to do the best you can. And also, I kind of forgot to mention, but you also want to make sure that you attach any statutes that you think that may be relevant to your case. That also may help you, when you submit your demand packet. For more information like what you just heard on this video, visit our website at bostonlawllc.com. That's bostonlawllc.com. You actually may want to take the time to actually get our new book that we have out, What Auto Insurance Companies Do Not Want You to Know. It's in the banner. Click the link. Once we process your request, we'll get that book out to you. Also, before I leave, click on the BLG Exclusives button that's also on the website. There's 2 special reports that we actually have that deal with the 7 ways auto adjusters lowball you and the 10 mistakes that people make when trying to settle their own claim. Thanks for taking the time to actually listen to me today, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.